Hello guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video. I'm gonna walk you through how to download and install Torrent, which is very useful to download games, files, so many things. Let's get started with the installation. So this is it guys, we have downloaded torrent successfully and you can now download any torrent files through it. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and let me know in the comment section what you want next. Till then, bye.